Hello my amazing people, welcome back again to my channel. I hope everybody is doing all good. In today's video I share with you this authentic and flakiest Ghana meat pie recipe that you're going to love. This is very easy, but trust me, it is heavenly. All you have to do right now is to trust the process. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Can you do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family? Now without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So into my mixing bowl, I'll go in with my all-purpose flour as usual. I'll be using 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Next, I'll go in with half tablespoon of salt and half tablespoon of nutmeg. I will stir everything together very nicely until all is nice and well incorporated. And once that is done, I'll go in with 2 eggs. Now feel free to use any amount of eggs that you want, but for this recipe 2 eggs is just perfect. Moving forward, I'm going to stir everything together until the eggs incorporate very well with the flour. And once that is done, we will proceed to the next stage. Alright, so now everything is nice and well combined, so I'll go in with some salted margarine or butter. I'll be using 1 cup of salted margarine. Feel free to use any type of margarine or butter of your choice. Okay, now let's combine everything together until it forms a nice dough. For this recipe, I didn't go in with any liquid because the consistency and the richness was okay for me. Okay, now let's mix until all is nice and well incorporated, just the way you're seeing it on your screens right now. So now that I am at the right consistency that I'm looking for, I'll go ahead and cover the dough for it to rest in the refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes. If you don't have a refrigerator, just have to cover it and allow it to sit for approximately 10 to 15 minutes and you are good to go. Okay, now whilst we're waiting patiently for the dough to get ready, let's go ahead and make our meat pie filling. So in my cooking pot, I'll go in with cooking oil and also some chopped onions. I'll fry on low medium heat for about 1 to 2 minutes, and whilst that is done, I'll go in with my tuna flakes. Now for this recipe, I'm using only tuna flakes as protein. Feel free to use any protein of your choice. Okay, let's stir everything together very nicely, and we're going to allow it to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes on low medium heat, and we will be back to check on it again. Alright, so we are back and everything is just on point. So next we're going to go in with some vegetable of choice as well. For vegetables, I'm using carrots, green pepper, scallions or spring onions, and also some cabbage. Kindly feel free to use any vegetable of your choice. Alright, so now let's stir everything together, and once that is done, I'll go in with some seasoning of choice and also cornstarch solution to also help taking up the filling and also makes it more juicy. Okay, kindly feel free to use any seasoning of your choice. You can also omit it totally. Okay, alright, so now whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so I've been cooking the sauce for about 2 to 3 minutes now, and as you can see, it's looking super juicy and perfect. Now it's time for me to set this aside, allow it to cool down before I use it. Okay, The dough is looking all perfect after 10 minutes of being in the refrigerator. Now it's time for me to roll out the dough to get the perfect size that I'm looking for. If you are still with me at this point and you haven't still given this video a thumbs up yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly give this video a thumbs up and also do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing meat pie recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after rolling out the dough, I used a round shape lid to create this beautiful circle that you are seeing. Use anything that can help you create the beautiful shapes that you want, okay? Afterwards, I also brushed the edges of this meat pie with some egg wash. If you don't have egg wash, kindly feel free to use water instead, okay? Now this is what we have. I'm going to repeat the same process until everything is nice and ready. Remember to be generous with the filling, okay? Alright, so at this point, if you are still with me and you haven't still followed me on all social media platforms, baby, what are you waiting for? Yes, I'm talking to you. Can you do follow me on all social media platforms at Cooking with Efia, because I have amazing recipes to share with you over there as well. Do follow me and let's vibe over there beautifully. Thank you so much. I hope at this point you are enjoying the video. If yes, kindly do give this video a thumbs up and also share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Right, so now that we are done filling and cutting the pie, let's place everything on the baking tray. We're going to brush the toppings of this meat pie with some egg wash. Use milk instead if you don't want the egg, okay? Now afterwards, I'll also use fork to create that small holes that we normally see on meat pie. Feel free to make any design or omit it totally, okay? Once that is done, I'm going to bake this in the oven for approximately 10 minutes for about 180 degrees Celsius, and it should be ready. As you can see, it's not yet done, but trust me, it looks so appetizing. And after baking the mixed pie, this is the outcome. It looks very inviting and just perfect. All you need right now is some hot beverage or a cold drink to enjoy alongside with it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this easiest and flakiest meat pie recipe. I hope you're going to try, and trust me, you are definitely going to love this. Also, do let me know in the comment section what you think about this meat pie recipe, and I'll be glad to read all your amazing comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this point, and see you in my next upload. Bye.